Hi guys, once again from the Top 10 Mobiles with a new repair. Today I'm just going to show you how to replace the LCD screen of the iPhone 8. So first, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please make sure you subscribe the channel below. Right guys, let's start iPhone 8 LCD's replacement. First of all, you need to open these two bottom screws with the small screwdriver. Right? Here you can see I have started opening with the small screwdriver. There you go guys, just from the bottom lift screen very slightly and little bit so that it will just come up. As you can see, this is just coming over here. So there you go. Right, as you can see here, just the sticky tape on the side, so there you go, it's all open. So now we'll start opening these screws on the plate. We will unscrew these ones. After that we will just unplug the flexes, camera slot, and then we will test the new screen. Right, with this different shaped screwdriver, just start from the screws which are on a plate on the battery side. There are 4 screws on this plate which covers the battery and LCD connectors. Here we go, and that's the plate. It's just come off, and now we will unplug the battery. Just unplug the LCD. That's it. So before putting the new screen, we will just test the new screen. Right, so here we have got the new screen. We're just gonna test it before putting it. So I'm just going to connect it here first. Here, and just connect the battery back. So just try to turn it on. Here you can see it's just powered on. As you can see the Apple logo. I can see, you might not be able to see in the camera, but I can see. So I'll just check the screen pattern whether it's work. Yeah, so I've just checked the pattern, it's all working. guys, now we will start unscrewing these parts from the top. First, this one, which is the earpiece part. There you go. The earpiece is out. And then you just need to lift this earpiece and the front camera flex over here so that it just come up. There you go, that's done. Screen is separate. Now I will unscrew these plates from the sides. There you go, the side screws of the plate on the LCD. There you go. Right guys, so here we go. We've separated the plate from the LCD, and now we will just push a little bit the home button. We'll just lift it from here where it is just sticked over here. Here we go. Here the button is out now. Here we go. Right, as you can see, old screen is separate. Now we will put the plate and all other things on the new screen. First, remove this label from the new screen. Here we go. First of all, just put the plate here, the steel plate. Which is the just adjust it because the cables, they might bent, so you need to adjust them. Alright, so I will just start from the sides, putting the side screws on the LCD plate. There we go. One side is done, now I will do the other side. And last screw on the steel plate of the LCD. It's done. Now we'll put the home button on the bottom. Just lift this part. Put the home button from the bottom all the way to here. That's it. It's done. Now just put the home button cable back here. I'll just put this bubble wrap on the bottom so the screen doesn't get pressure. Now I'll put back the cover of the home button, which is this one, and put the screws back on the home button cover. There you go. Second one. Number third. And the fourth one, last screw of the home button. Here you go. So home button is done. Now I will connect the upper part of the LCD, which is the earpiece and the camera flex. Just remove this cover, blue one, sticky part. So I'll just put this. Here you go. Here. Just press a little bit on the sensor and put this camera pack part. Put the camera part back here. That's the frame of the camera which I took from the other LCD. And put the ear speaker back. Then cover the camera, put the steel cover back, and then put the screws back on top of camera. Here we go. Here we go. So you can see all screen is connected. Now I will just connect these connectors of LCD on the board. Here you go. And the number second. Here you go. There you go. Now I'll put back the steel cover of these connectors, and then you can, right, so just put back the screws of the LCD area where the connectors are, and there is a steel plate on the top of cables. Right. Second last screw of the plate. And last one. Just going to do this one. Here's another one. Make sure you don't put the wrong screws. Right, so all screwed back on. Now I'm just starting from the top, lifting. Just slightly push it down, very slightly. Here you go. As you can see, this is all closed. So I'll just try to power down and put the bottom screws back. Here you go. It's all coming up. So I'll put back these two bottom screws. And your iPhone 8 LCD is replaced. I'm just putting back the bottom screws. Here you go, guys. It's all done. You can see the screen. Here you go. It's all working. I'm just checking the pattern. That's fine. It's all working, right? I'm just putting it on charge. It's all working. That's fine. Right, guys. Today I've just shown you how to replace the iPhone 8 LCD screen, which is done now. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe to the channel below for more updates on repairs. Right?